Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take trades with price action, candlestick psychology. Stay tuned. I will unpack a lot of knowledge in this session. I hope you guys learn something new and I hope you enjoy this one. Alright, I'm going to take this. My entry is a little bad, but I'm going to show you guys the reason why I took this trade. Okay, as you can see, the price came to my trend line and it rejected and gave me a false breakout, and I realized that, and then I saw a candle created here which creates a higher high compared to previous high, and I immediately entered because whenever I see this I know that the buyers will continue the trend. Okay, alright, so basically this was a fake breakout because as it breaks it reverses. Okay, so that is how you identify a fake breakout, guys. And as you can see, this trade here, let me mark it back. It doesn't matter, I'm gonna close anyway. As you can see, this trade is gonna be a winning trade, guys. Let's find our next opportunity. This beautiful. I saw that this trade here was rejecting from my trend line. Okay, and based on everything I'm seeing, this trend line is pretty strong, and I can see that this candle gave me a very strong close, right? So based on everything I'm seeing here, my signal candle was very strong, and we get a very strong rejection from the trend line, guys. Whenever you get a strong rejection from a level, it's telling you something. It's telling you, okay, buyers or sellers were so strong, the price couldn't close properly. It had to reject because they were strong enough to just move the price immediately. See what I'm saying? I hope you guys are getting the understanding. They're so strong, they rejected immediately. This is called candlestick psychology. It's about knowing how the candle behaves. Okay? So guys, I'm taking this. Nice. So guys, this was a trend line which I had earlier. Okay? This was a trend line which I had earlier. I marked it, but I didn't get the trading opportunity here. So I missed it, I think. Yeah, anyway, let's talk about this trade here, guys. As you see, the price rejected from my trend line and it closes very strong. This was a strong engulfing candle going up, right? And I saw that the market is in a buying direction. As you see, pay attention, very good. The overall trend is up. Remember, guys, when you see me trading, right, I always try to go with the trend as much as possible, because when you go with the trend, the momentum is on your side naturally. Okay, that's why the saying say the trend is your friend until it ends. Plus we're using trend lines, so it's just so good to go with the trend at all times, right? Let's find our next trade and I will explain everything else on that next trade. This is how you draw your trend line correctly, guys. We draw our trend line from the body. This is the pro tip for today, right? We connect one body, two body, and then we take our trade on the third one, right? And as you can see, guys, this trade is pretty decent. It's pretty nice. Let's see what's gonna happen here. I took this trade for $200 because I'm with the trend and the trend is super strong. As you can see, right? See how long the price has been going down? Yeah, that means momentum is on my side. Like, guys, this trade, and then we have a gap up right here plus a hammer candle. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, hey, Jesus. All right. I was trying to challenge myself to start from $50, and I'm regretting it because I could have taken this trade for 2,000 or 3,000 right now. This trade is the best trade all month, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's find our next opportunity. Alright, I'm taking this, guys. The reason why I took this, I realized the price closed on my trend line. Okay, if you Pay attention here. I'm going to show you. All right, hold on. Let me draw it properly for you guys who don't understand. As you see, this red candle close on my trend line, and then a green candle appears. Right, it didn't broke the trend line; it closed on it. So this tells me something, okay? And then I saw that this green candle was so super strong, it created an engulfing candle. Then I saw that it created a continuation sign also, and I took the trade right here, guys. If I was earlier, guys, I would have win this trade. As you can see, 1, 2 candles, I would win, right? So basically, you guys must always try to enter your trades perfectly, okay? If you miss the opportunity, leave it. If you have the balance to lose and feel comfortable, then you could take risky trades. But if you're a beginner or you just start to see a little profit, do not take risky trades, please, guys, because when you take risky trades, it messes with your mental health if you're not profitable already. Okay? I'm going crazy on this trade, guys. This trade is so clean. All right, beautiful. This trade is clean, guys. I was rushing to draw the lines very quickly and everything, guys. So yeah, this trade was clean. I want you guys to see everything very transparent what I am doing here. Okay, as you see, we have the third touch of the trend line, and we have a spinning candle rejected from the trend line. And remember, spinning candles are like doji candles. And remember, doji candles are a sign of reversal, okay? And if spinning candles are like doji and a spinning candle rejected from a trend line, it's telling us that, okay, this is a reversal sign, okay? Then we have a rejection, okay? Then we have a signal candle, okay? And then we took the trade and we're expecting to win, because when you're confident, you have to expect to win the trade. But these guys only come from practicing and understanding every point in the market, right? Beautiful. Let's continue this speech on our next trade. I was so late for this trade, guys. As you can see here, this is a 3-bar down, okay? And I want to say something to you guys. When I say 3-bar down, it doesn't mean 3 candles in a row. 3 consecutive candles in a row, that's 3 black crow, okay? And 3 candles in a row going up is 3 white soldier. As you see, this is a 3 black crow now. But before, I took it with a 3-bar down. Guys, this is the reason why you need the mentorship, because you need to know this stuff, right? You just need to know them. It's so difficult to be trading real money and trying to, explain everything. It's a little bit confusing, because I have to be focusing on the chart. You have to be focusing. When I'm trading, I have to be paying attention very keenly, guys. There's just so much about candlestick psychology you guys just need to learn, honestly. Let's find our next trade. Taking this. My entry. Damn. Okay, guys, let me show you something real quick. I'm not gonna take any more trade all the way up there. My entry is too bad for me right there, bro. Okay, if you see right here, the price, this red candle closes on the level, and then we had a green candle surges and creates the engulf with the higher high. So I know that this trade here will close as a winning trade, but my entry is not good. My entry should have been right here. So I'm a little bit worried about this trade, guys. That's the reason why I didn't put any more on it, because I have to preserve my profit. Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen. Hopefully it surges in the direction properly, because we have a small trend going up right now. Let's see how this candle. Okay, this closed as a continuation. Oh, it's win. Okay. I thought I had more time. Right, I'm going crazy on this one, because this, pay attention here, guys. Remember, I spoke about spinning candles and doji candles are the same thing, right? If you notice, the spinning candle rejected from the line, from our trend line, and there was a spinning candle previously also. So our trade should have been on this candle here, and we would have won that trade very cleanly. But then I saw that this is another spinning candle rejecting from the trend line, which is a strong indication of continuation in our direction. And this candle closed as a spinning candle. So I'm very confident and very sure that we are going to win this trade, guys. This trade is amazing. I have noticed the market is very, very clean today because there's a lot of trends and momentums, right? Okay, and based off everything here, I know that this trade will be a winning trade. Beautiful. This trade is clean, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's very clean. I love this trade, honestly. I should have put more money on this, but it's okay. I'm satisfied with whatever I've made. Let's find our next trade. Right, I see that this trade is very clean, right? If you pay attention, very good. Again, we have our spinning candle, right? There was a hammer, then a spinning candle, and plus this is a 3-bar down, going down. Let me see if we're in the trend direction. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay. I was saying something about 3-bar down, guys, and let me explain it real quick. Because a lot of persons confuse 3-bar down with momentum. Okay, let me show you this. If we have 1, 2, 3 candles in a row going down, that is 3 black crow, guys. If we have 1, 2 red candles going down, that is 3-bar down. I know it's a little bit cliche, but bear with me. This is the names that people who create the patterns name it. Okay, I just wanted to make this clear because a lot of persons asking me about momentums. Momentums are 3 candles in a row, but 3-bar down is kind of a momentum but not really a strong one. Okay guys, I'm gonna explain something again about the momentum. And I really want to do this in this video very much clear because a lot of person is asking me about this. I don't know why, but let's be clear. Okay, if you see right here, this was a 3-bar going up. 3-bar going up. Okay, now this is 3 white soldiers going up. 1, 2, 3, and it's a momentum. Okay, momentum is consist of 3 candles. 3-bar up is consist of 2 consecutive candles in either direction. Okay, I hope I'm making myself very, very clear. Right, guys, I don't want you guys to be confused about what I'm teaching, and that's the reason why I'm going over this again. All right, so I hope that all of you learned something new in this video. Okay, and if you learn something new, smash that like button, comment, and share this video to somebody who need to learn how to trade. And this will be the end of my session, guys. If you're interested and you're tired of losing or frustrated of how the market works, you can contact me on Telegram. I have a mentorship, a paid mentorship. You could join my mentorship and I will teach you everything you need to know to become a profitable trader. I wish all of you a successful trading day and a successful trading month and week. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.